Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure QuickBooks Online for cash flow tracking and forecasting. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the left-hand menu. Select the accounting option from the menu. Click on Chart of Accounts. In the upper right corner, choose the New button to create a new account. For the account type, select Bank. In the detail type, choose Checking. Name the account something like Cash Flow Tracker for clarity. Fill in the account number if applicable, and click Save and Close. Next, go back to the dashboard. Select Expenses from the left-hand menu. Click on the Vendors tab to set up your vendors. Choose New Vendor to add any vendors you're currently working with. Fill in the required information and click Save. Now, return to the dashboard and go to Sales. Select the Customers tab to add your clients. Click on New Customer to input any customers you have. Enter their details and click Save. Next, navigate to Reports on the left-hand menu. In the search bar, type Cash Flow to find relevant reports. Select the Statement of Cash Flows report. Customize the date range at the top to reflect your desired forecasting period. Generate the report to visualize your cash flow over time. Now, go back to your dashboard. Click on Transactions in the left menu. Review both income and expense transactions to ensure they're accurately recorded. Use the Banking tab to connect your bank accounts for real-time tracking. Follow the prompts to securely link your bank accounts. Once linked, QuickBooks will automatically import your transactions. Review the transactions for any discrepancies. Next, navigate to Budgeting under the Settings gear icon. Select Add Budget to create a new budget for tracking. Define the fiscal year and enter your estimated income and expenses. Click Save to finalize your budget. To set up forecasting, go back to Reports. Search for Profit and Loss and generate the report. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.